So hello my dear lovely students, I am back with part 2 of lesson number 1, plants around us. In our previous part we have learned that about root system. Okay, so now our part 2 is about the shoot system. Now you will ask me what is shoot system. Now see, I have told you that root system is the part that grows underground. Okay. Now shoot system is opposite of that. For example, see, uh, all the parts that grows above is known as the shoot system. We can count that in a shoot system. See, this is a leaf. Here is a flower. So all the plants grows above the ground is known as the shoot systems. Now, the one of the most important part of shoot system is the stem. What? Stem. Now you will ask, teacher, but how? How the stem is the main part? So let me explain. See, for example, this is the stem of the plant. Now you remember that I have told you that root system. Roots absorb the water and nutrients from the soil and passes it upwards. Yeah, it passes to the because the primary root is joined with this. Yeah. Now we can understand, yes? So this carries water and it carries water and nutrients to whole the plants. And it also carries the food. Food, now you will tell teacher, who makes the food? Which part makes the food? So, the leaves made the food. Now you will ask me that, teacher, the leaves are present on every part of the plant. So, see, here is one leaf, for example. So it will carry down. The stem will first carry from the downwards, down to upwards. Okay, understood? Down to upwards. It will carry down to upwards. Now you will tell, teacher, but all the parts are not covering. This side is not. So it will again come down, up to down. So like this, it carries that. Now, see. Now you can see here one diagram. See, now you will tell teacher. See this point from which this leaf joint. This part is known as the node. Okay, this part is known as the node. And now you will tell teacher, this empty space, what do we call this? Yes, we call that internode. Sorry, internode. Okay, understood? Now, can I tell you one interesting thing about birds? See, now there are two types of birds in a plant. See, apical, or we can call it terminal also. Your choice. And the second type is apical. We can call it terminal also. And second is auxiliary. Now, auxiliary and apical. These two words are necessary to be in a plant. Without it, it cannot be grow properly. Okay, the growth of the plant is not suitable. Understood? Okay. Now let's move towards the functions of stem. Now, as we have learned functions of root system, so like that only we'll learn the functions of means stem. So the first function is it holds the weight of whole plant. We can tell it supports the plant. It supports the plant. Okay, it supports the plant. Now you will tell teacher, this bird will fall here, and all that things will scatter over. Okay, so because of this reason only, this stem is very important and it supports the plant. Okay, understood? Now the second is the stem exposes branches, leaves and flowers. Now you will tell, but why? Why it exposes branches, leaves and flowers? So let me explain. See, why? Because nutrients we cannot get from the roots. All the things are not necessary and available on the root only. Some things are present upwards also. For example, see, nutrients for for taking the nutrients, carrying out the process of photosynthesis, and other functions. Many functions are there, but two of them are okay. Done. Okay, so students, our session is ended here. Thank you. Thank you, my dear lovely students, for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.